All right, let's get started with our circle time. We start by standing up and saying the Pledge of Allegiance, right hand on our heart, eyes around the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we will reach our dreams. All right. Seat on our bottoms. Let's go ahead and take a look at our calendar. And it is March 29th. And it is one of our friends' birthdays today. And we are there. Going to be. And we have our no school on Wednesday. All right, let's sing our Days Week song. Here we go. Maybe. There she goes. Days of the week. 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 There's Saturday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. There's Saturday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. And today is March 29th. It's Monday, March 29th, 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. And we're going to start right here on the 19th. We're going to say hat 3 times. And then what does this say again? Clover. Clover 3 times. So let's start off with the hat. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover. Don't forget clover. Put it on down here. Clover for our friend's birthday. All right, what kind of weather do we have outside today?
Windy and sunny.
It is windy and sunny. It rained very hard yesterday. So it is chilly. And it rained hard yesterday, so our playground is swampy. Hopefully the wind and the sun will dry it out so we can go outside tomorrow. Yeah. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? My friend at home. No. Can you give us a prediction?
He's not there.
Oh, okay. Someone here, give me a prediction.
Snowy.
Snowy? I think it's getting a little too warm to snow, but we'll see. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Everybody ready? Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. Let's count to 20. Ready? Touch your nose. Touch your ears. Touch your neck. Touch your shoulders. Shoulders. Clap your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hands on lap. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, My friend on the red square, what shape is red? My friend on the front blue square, what shape is blue? Rectangle. My friend on the second blue square in the back, what shape is green?
Circle.
Good job. My friend right here, birthday boy in orange, what shape is orange?
Triangle.
Triangle. Right back here, purple, what shape is purple?
Octagon.
Nice. Green, what shape is gray?
The oval.
Oval. Nice job, everyone. All right, let's go back around. How about my friend there? My friend at home. Can you tell me something that is purple?
Beer.
Can you tell me something that is white?
Triangle.
One more. Can you find something that is green?
Discuss.
Excellent. Thank you. My friends here, find something that is blue.
Sadness.
Sadness. Find something that is brown.
Chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar. Awesome. Our nursery rhyme is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right. What is this? A penny. A penny is worth what? 1 cent. And we know it's a penny because it has that brown or copper color to it. What is this? Number 2. What is this? 8. I need to hear everybody. What is it?
8.
What's this one?
10. 9.
Sitting up front. 6.
7.
Right here. What is this?
7.
What's this one?
5.
1.
4. 3.
And now we're looking at our letters. What are our letters we've worked on so far?
L. F. G.
E. What is this?
E.
E.
What letter is this?
D. J.
J.
X.
S.
G.
Q.
O.
O. Bless you.
C.
Magic C. U.
And I. T. G.
No. What is this one?
H. E. F.
F.
L.
Good.
All right.
And this week we're working on the letter
P.
P. And P says
Pizza.
like pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. And Peppa Pig. The color my square is what?
Purple.
Purple. And the color of my heart is
Pink.
pink. So we have pink, purple, Peppa Pig,
And pepperoni
pizza.
Letter B.
All right, let's go ahead and is it the E? Is it the picture or the heart?
Picture.
All right.
Good on. Yes, buddy.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? At the top, yes. Letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you gotta remember to start it at the top. This is the top, top, top. Now it's the bottom. This is the top, top, top. Now it's the middle. This is the top, top, top. It's the top, top, top. I hear no singing. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Pieces should be at the top. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you're back at the top. Started, that was me. Sorry. Top, top, top. This is the top, top, top. No, it's the middle. But at the top. Top, top, top. No, not on that. At the top. Where you had them before. All right. Your pieces should be at the top of your mat. Waiting for all my friends to do just like my friend there. Excellent job. Nope, we're not building on top of our mat. We're putting it at the top. So we have our pieces just like our neighbor. See how our neighbor has them at the top? Right at the top.
Mr. No could get another tissue.
My friends, all at the top, not on our mat. Put it at the top. That's the side. This is the top. Put all your pieces at the top. Other one too. Other piece too. Other piece too. We're making the letter P. My turn. Your hands are in your lap. I'm going to grab the big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Now, we've been using the big curve to make the letter D, but now we are using a little curve and putting it at the top to make the letter P. So I made the letter P with a big line and a little curve. So your hands are in your lap, your listening ears are on, inside voices are off, eyes up here. My turn, big line down, frog jump up, little curve. What did I make? P. I put those lips together and push the air through so they pop open. P. P. Excellent. Let's go ahead and grab our big line and put it on our mat. Big line on our mat. And we're going to pick up our little curve and put it at the top to make the letter P. I have a pig on my mat today because pig starts with the letter P. Waiting for all my friends to make the letter P. Wonderful. All right, hands in lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices are off. Eyes up here. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little curve. Your turn. Do it with me. Fingers at the
Top.
and say it with me. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little curve. And what is that? P. P for pig. Peppa Pig. Pepperoni pizza. All have the letter P at the beginning. One more time. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say big line down. Frog jump up.